My name is Russell Anderson. I'm head of operations here at Northern Transformer. Epicor ERP is used by every function within our organization, from quoting to engineering to finance, and including our manufacturing team. By the end of this fiscal year, we will have increased our revenue by 66% from 2 years ago, and we'll be well on our way to our target of doubling our revenue within 3 years. One of the key benefits we've experienced from being live for a year now is the access to information within Epicor. The dashboards provide live views of key information that allow us to run our business effectively and are allowing us to make data-driven decisions.
Northern Transformer is a manufacturer of custom engineer-to-order liquid-filled power transformers. The key is to build a foundation that will allow us to take advantage of all the 21st century tools that are available and knit them together in a productive way. And Epicor is already doing that for us, and we can see many, many ways which we can continue to grow with Epicor as the foundation of our IT system.